Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make kiwi macarons. So come with me. So the first thing you have to do is to get all of your ingredients measured out and all the material you're going to use set aside. So you have an easy time when making macarons, because making macarons is serious business. Now we're going to place our granule over a double boiler with barely for just 1 or 2 minutes until the sugar melts. Once the sugar's melted, you're going to transfer this to your KitchenAid bowl, and you want to make sure that you wipe down the bottom of your bowl, because you don't want any of the water from the condensation to go into your egg whites, because that will ruin your meringue. So this is what you want your meringue to look like before you start. Since I'm making two color until the dry ingredients in the meringue, so I can color the batter into 2 different colors. They call this a J fold, where you come through the middle. So this is how you want to fold your batter. So once you're done piping your macarons, don't forget to slam your trays against the counter so you can get rid of the air bubbles that are in your macarons. So this way they won't crack when they're baking in the oven. I hope you like this tutorial. Check out the app Jumprope to make your own super cool tutorials.